So you guys know that I'm Team LG V60, which is one of my daily drivers. That's right, it's still one of my daily drivers. Out of over 230 phones, yes, the LG V60 is one of my daily drivers. But now since Android 13 is the last OS update, is it time to part ways with it? Well, not really. Look, I have a story to tell you guys in this video about my experience that I had at a recent party that I went to this past weekend with my friends and family. So let me tell you this story. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I went to a family party, friends and family party this past weekend. We was having some fun. But you know what? Me as a tech enthusiast, I was curious. I wanted to see what smartphone that everybody was rocking. I wanted to see, you know what? Let's see what the fuss is about. Regular deglers. And it was exactly what I expected from normal folks. You know, there was about 40 to 50 people at this event, from younger folks to older folks, right? Let me give you the results that I came up with, right? Most people at this event was rocking older iPhone 11s and iPhone 12s, whether or not they're gonna be the regular iPhones or the Pro Maxes. But it was exactly what I thought it was gonna be, older devices. And the two iPhone 15 Pro Maxes that was at the party was my wife and my daughter. They were the only two that had the new latest and greatest. But shockingly, on the Android side, I seen a bunch of Note 9s and Note 10s and Galaxy S10s and Galaxy S22 Ultras. Unfortunately, I didn't see no Pixels and no OnePluses. But me as a tech nerd, I wanted to ask some questions of my friends and family. How they liking their devices and why they not upgrading to the latest and greatest. Again, regular deglers. Here's the reply that I got from most folks. Nothing wrong with my phone. Nothing. It works great. No need to upgrade. Plus, it's paid off. So the next question I asked when I looked at some of the software on these devices, most of it was running like iOS 15 and iOS 16, which those devices can be updated to the latest operating system. And again, most people say, you know what? My phone is working great. It works. I don't want to upgrade to anything. I don't even touch the button. And they know they probably have updates, but they don't even do anything with it. They didn't even press the button. But you know what? On the Android side, the Galaxy Note 9, Galaxy S10s, there's no updates for those devices, no more security patches. But you know what? Once again, the regular deglers don't have no issues with their phones. And you know what? Everybody was having fun. They was taking photos and shooting videos and sharing it with each other, just looking at each other. I mean, the photos was coming out great. The videos was coming out great. Look, I tell you this story because me as a tech enthusiast and a lot of tech people out there, right, get bent up in a pretzel when the beloved device won't get any updates, as millions and millions upon people that don't even care about updates. It's so crazy that they probably see the update on their device, but they don't even hit the button to update. Weird. Again, they say if it ain't broken, don't fix it. Their phone's working fine. Look, I know that I'm a tech YouTuber here to educate people about security and updates, but regular deglers, think about it. Regular deglers don't download APKs from unknown websites. They don't install custom ROMs on their phones. And as you know, apps in the App Store get updated with enhancements and security, which if you click on the app that needs to be updated, sometimes you'll be forced to update the app before you even can open it. So the apps are updated even if they run in old operating systems. It's crazy, right? But I just wanted to tell you this story because it's a fundamental difference between tech enthusiasts and regular deglers. And I want to say this to my LG community. Look, rock your LG V60, baby. I'm here with you. I'm Team LG V60 for life. Look, if you want to make your LG V60 faster, put a launcher on it, whether or not it's going to be Nova launcher or anything else in between. But if you use a Nova launcher, just select the fast option. If you want to make your device faster, just go to the fast option and hit run fast on Nova launcher. It's a setting in there that you can hit. And boom, it go run fast. Look, for me, I run 2 launchers on my LG V60. I run either the Star Trek launcher or I run this regular stock launcher. And I love it. Don't you know, it don't matter what OS you running, if you running a launcher, it takes over the almost your whole device. Once you customize your launcher, it don't even matter if you're running Android 11, Android 12, Android 13, or even Android 14. Your custom launcher won't change. But you know what? Let's talk about the fastest phone that I have in my arsenal, right? The fastest phone that I have in my arsenal is the Realme GT. This is out of 230 phones. This is the fastest phone that I have when it comes down to performance. Yes, it's an older device. So my second fastest phone that I have in my arsenal out of 230 phones is the OnePlus 7 Pro. Wow, this phone is so fast when it comes down to performance. And this phone is like running Android 11. And this is the fastest phone, fastest performing phone that I have second to the Realme GT. Think about this, right? How older devices perform so well. Look, I love going back to older devices. You know why? Because the performance is next to none. I love my older devices. Look like when we get the newer devices, they feel like we're going backwards. We're losing features, headphone jacks and everything else in between, right? But the older devices is so prime, they're so fast, they're so fluid. These are my 2 fastest phones that I have in my arsenal. But you know what? I'm still an LG fan by heart. If you're an LG fan, stand up. Leave your comments down below. I'm gonna be an LG fan all day long. If you rocking LG devices, if you rocking the LG V60, it's all good, baby. It's all good. If you wanna make your LG V60 faster, put a launcher on it. Customize the launcher to the way you like it. Make it as fast as you want it, and you're gonna be just fine. Look, I know we on Android 13, we won't get Android 14, we on security patches. But it's all good, baby. Just make sure that the apps in the App Store is updated on your device, and you're gonna be good. Think about it. What do we look for in the smartphone? Performance, features, cameras, and extras. Well, guess what? These devices here give you extras. Look, I got the Galaxy Note 9 here. This device give you extras. Yes, it's rocking the old operating system, but God dog, it feels good and fluid. It's not a 90 hertz display, not a 120 hertz display, but you know what? It's still functional. It can make phone calls, it can send text, it can download apps, and it still work great to this day. And you know what's so funny? Going back to my LG V60, it's a 5G device. That means it's 5G, baby. So you're gonna still get good download speeds and good upload speeds. Put a custom launcher on it like this that I have on my device. And it's so funny that this custom launcher, right, which is my Star Trek launcher, you ain't got to worry about nothing, because guess what? This launcher won't change, right? This is gonna be my custom launcher and it won't change. It's gonna stay looking like this. It don't matter what OS I'm running. This launcher is gonna look the same, it's gonna run the same, and it's gonna be the same no matter what. And that's what I mean by putting custom launchers on your device. Listen, you get a lot of tech enthusiasts get caught up in the pressure. Oh my God, it's not getting Android 14. So what? It still make phone calls. You still can download apps. It still have one of the best cameras on the market. It's still fast. It still have one of the best battery life in the market. It got pen support, desktop mode, gaming mode, dual screen support, headphone jack with a quad DAC, and much more. Damn, what more do you want? Plus, you could get it for damn near under $200 in some scenarios. So yes, I'm Team LG, baby. I'm gonna talk about my LG V60 for my LG fans, baby. We're gonna do this here all day long. And tell the phone croak, I'm gonna rock my LG V60 all the way, baby. All right, so what's your favorite phone, right? And it don't have to be the latest device. It could be any smartphone from any era. Don't have to be 2023 device. It could be a 2020 device, 2021 device. Leave it down in the comments below. What team you on? Let's have some fun. Thank you guys. See you guys on the next video. Peace.